All right, so we have increase from 124 to 138, and that 138 equals 82% of capacity. And what's capacity? Well, you have to. The keyword is approximate, right? If we use approximate, that means we don't have to calculate it, and chances are it's going to be a hard calculation. So let's say that 138 is closer to 140, and that 82%, we think of that as 4/5. So how many 4s get into 140? Well, if you do 30 of them, you get to 120. And then you have another 20 left, so that becomes roughly 35. So another 1/5 higher than 140 would bring you to 175. So that would be total capacity. Now, the question asks you, how much were you short originally prior to the storm? That's 124. Well, that's basically 124 from here to there is how much? Well, that's basically, what is that, 50, right? So that's 50 that you were short out of the 175. Oh, again, the question is asking how many gallons of water are you short? So that would be that 150. We found from 175 minus the 124, and you basically get the 50. Now, is there an answer choice close to 50? 44. It's a little bit low. Now, we want to make sure that our estimates make it so that we would probably be on the high side. Well, the jump from 140 to 175 was basically a jump of the remaining 1/5, or 20%. But we didn't have to jump 20%. We actually had to just jump 18%. So we over jumped a little bit towards 175. So maybe more realistically, instead of 175, maybe like 170 makes more sense. And if you hit that 170 and you minus that 124, well, now you're just 46 away. And now 46 is a lot closer to 44. So of these answer choices, E, 44, makes the most sense. We're pretty close with our estimate of 50, and no other answer choice is even close. And it does make sense that we overshot it by a little bit. And if you adjust for that overshooting just by a little bit, you get even closer to that 44. So does it make sense? Yes. And is it the answer? Yes. Answer choice E, 44.